the Caribbean community, family values are the most important asset.
Good luck with this, okay? Thanks, guys.
I became a police officer to protect these values.
Thank you for saving just life.
What are your plans after the summer?
Open up a computer store.
Expensive, man. You get money for that?
So, you gonna help me with the shop or what?
My parents will kill me if I don't go to college.
I need like 30, 40 G's.
Yo, I told you I got you, dogs.
I need you to pick up this ride for me by Saturday, all right?
This is hot right here, man. It's like cheddar. It's flavor, right?
Even with good intentions, situations can get out of control.
Someone shot you? My son? Oh my God!
Okay, now you're gonna have to tell me exactly what's been going on.
If you hear of anyone bragging about what happened, please let me know, sir.
Our values give us the ability to overcome our personal and social issues.
None of these kids know a damn thing about it. They don't even know why we call Haiti the Pearl of the Caribbean.